Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the clip 5 and removing the carabiner. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, position the speaker on a soft cloth and identify the seam where the silicone cover meets the plastic housing. Use a plastic pry tool at the seam near a corner and apply gentle, steady leverage, about a 1/2 twist, to lift the edge. You do this to separate the lip without tearing silicone. Make sure to keep fingers clear of the speaker ports. Now you continue removing the cover by moving around the speaker's circumference, prying small sections sequentially. Once a corner is lifted, use your thumb to roll the silicone away while you release internal clips. This prevents tearing. If an edge sticks near the charging port, use a toothpick to nudge adhesive or lint-free debris aside. You do this because the cover has flexible clips that snap. Releasing them one at a time preserves clip shape, and may finish by aligning the top seam and pressing the cover onto the housing, working around until each clip clicks. This ensures seal integrity. Once seated, test buttons and charging port for smooth operation, then power on the speaker to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, if the cover won't seat or you see gaps, inspect for trapped lint or bent clips and warm the silicone slightly with your hands to increase flexibility. You should avoid forceful pulling, and repeat small adjustments until perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.